Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Ubuntu users might encounter while setting up a WireGuard VPN client inside a network namespace. The issue at hand involves getting DNS leaks even after disabling System Resolved in Network Manager, leaving many scratching their heads as to why the wrong DNS is still being used. It's a puzzling situation, but fear not, as we're here to unravel the mystery behind it. Let's jump right in. Now, let's talk about the solution to this DNS leak problem. One key aspect to consider is the way Glibc handles DNS lookups through its name service switch interface. By checking the configuration in etchnswitch.conf and experimenting with getIn commands, such as getinhostexample.com, getinsdnshostexample.com, and getinsdolmodulehostexample.com, we can uncover any unexpected settings that might be influencing the DNS resolution process. It's a crucial step in troubleshooting and ensuring that the correct DNS is being utilized within the network namespace. So, give it a try and see if it sheds some light on the issue. In summary, diving into the complexities of DNS resolution within a network namespace can unearth unexpected challenges, such as DNS leaks persisting despite disabling System Resolved in Network Manager. By exploring Glibc's name service switch interface and steering clear of potential pitfalls like the name caching daemon NSCD, we can pave the way for a more secure and streamlined VPN setup. I hope this information helps you tackle any DNS-related hurdles you may encounter. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.